Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. What I am going to be doing today is a clean with me, and it's been so long since I've uploaded a clean with me, so I was excited to do one today. Hopefully every Monday will be a clean with me, and then Fridays will be a miscellaneous video. But as of right now, I just have 3 videos a week, a cleaning video on Monday, a tea with me on Tuesday, and a miscellaneous on Friday. Also, if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. Like this video and make sure all notifications are set to on by clicking that gray notification bell. And let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm beginning in the dining room and wiping off the surface after decluttering the area, putting everything back into its place, and then wiping it all down. I do use this as an office, so my school books are in here and they just stay on that little bench. I went ahead and opened my planner up to this week so I could see everything that was going on, and it just looked really nice. Next, I vacuumed the area and Alice did her little dance. She actually almost broke my camera. She made it fall, and when I looked back at the footage, it was all blurry. So I actually had to turn my camera off and redo it. But thankfully, my camera is still good and still good condition because it's pretty much brand new. So, yay! I wanna know you inside and out. Wanna know what's behind the light. After the dining room, I went into the kitchen, and I kind of went ham in the kitchen. I am taking everything off of the countertops and placing them where they belong. I also have this little coffee area that you will see later in the video, and I went ahead and cleared all of that space off and got my coffee bar back. I had a blender there and my Instapot and a few other knickknacks that I didn't think I had the space to put away, but I decided today I was going to play a little bit of Tetris with all of my appliances, including my crock pot, my grill, all that, and make sure they all fit in the little thing below the coffee bar so I could get that back. Also, it looks a lot cleaner and nicer, so I'm super happy I did that. I'm gonna go ahead and wash the dishes now, placing some forks and stuff in a little thing of water just because some things were caked on there from breakfast, and I wanted to make sure that it was easily removed. Here I'm just scrubbing some dishes and then putting them in the dishwasher. I put some utensils in a warm soapy water in a cup just so I can get all the debris off of them so it's not as hard to scrub them off. Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. Now I am just taking everything out of this little area, putting them back in the boxes, and deciding where to put everything. I also went ahead and vacuumed it with my handheld Dyson because there were some crumbs in here which I don't know how they got here, but they did. So I went ahead and removed all that so I didn't get any ants or any bugs. And then I placed everything back in the order that I used them. So my least used items are in the back, and then my most used items like my blender, my breakfast sandwich maker, and my toaster are in the very front.
After doing all of that, I went ahead and wiped down this area. It was pretty sticky from the syrup and everything, and actually I had a ring of sugar attached to the countertop. So I went ahead and took some of Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleanser, I believe, and scraped it off. Actually, nothing got damaged, but it did require a little bit of scrubbing. It couldn't even be removed just with a multi-purpose cleaner, and that is what I'm doing right here. I just got a little, butter knife and just removed all the sugar.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Alright, so this was actually filmed in 3 different days just because I've been that busy. So I actually cleaned my kitchen like 3 times. But this is when I wiped it down. I am using the Mrs. Meyer's lilac scent in the multi-purpose spray, and I love this stuff. I'm just wiping it down, putting everything back where it belongs and such. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do some laundry. This had been sitting out for a while. I had not had any time to fold it, so this was my number one priority before anything else got done. I went ahead and folded everything while watching a TV show. I am currently watching Drunk History on Hulu, and it is so funny. But I'm also binging The Real Housewives as well, of New Jersey, obviously. But yeah.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you.
Now I'm just going to pick everything up off the ground and put them back to where they belong. Here's a shot of Alice. And then we're going to go ahead and vacuum, which is Alice's favorite part, as you all know. You come for the cleaning and you stay for the dog. I know, I know. Next, I am vacuuming my couch. As you guys know, Alice sheds quite a bit, and I had some company over who rubbed her down quite vigorously. So I went ahead and removed any excess hair, and I actually had so much hair on here I had to get a lint roller out as well after my Dyson. I'm just going to dust off this little table, and then I want to share a good tip with you guys. If you go ahead and get a lint roller like I just had on my couch, run it over the lampshade and you can get quite a bit of dust off of it. So that's how I'm cleaning this lamp, and then I'm going to spray it down with the lilac scent again and make sure all the dust and dirt is off of it.
The light that surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far. Created a space. In my head it was empty, but I know that I want to be where you are. I was denied. I had spent those years, did not recognize the person that's inside.
I went ahead and dusted off this little ledge that I have here that holds all of my electronics, like my cable box and things. I went ahead and dusted those off along with the blinds. They needed a good cleaning. I did not wipe them off though because I had done that previously.
But to take that leap, you must recognize the person that's inside.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure to like this video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much. Bye.